found another person.
Okay, now we have to let's start today, and today's topic is here the beggar. Now, as we all are looking who is the writer Anton Chekhov, first we must read about writer, author. Okay, now here Anton Chekhov was born in the year 1879. He studied medicine at Moscow University but achieved fame as a writer of short stories and plays. Okay, he started writing stories even when he was a student, and he died in 1904 just at the age of 44. After that, here I have written today he is regarded as one of the greatest and renowned short story writer in the world. It means we are going to read a story related to Russia. Russian story we are going to read. A new story. It is in English, but we are going to read a very important lesson. Yes, and the writer is related to Russia. Here it is, I have given that. Okay. Is there any question? Who is asking question? No one. Okay, now. Listen, before we start this lesson, first we have to come about that in this lesson there are three characters. How many characters? Three characters. These are main characters. First character is Lakshaw. Now, he is a drunkard beggar. Here we are going to read, as here it is given the beggar, and we are in this going to read about a beggar who is a drunkard, means who drinks very much, and now he does not want to do any work and tells lies so that people may feel pity on his condition and give him alms. In the end, he is chained person due to Olga's unconditional support. He becomes a successful notary. Now, here we are going to read about that. First character is Laksov. He was a beggar. He always creates several times a line. He always try to lies, and he takes alms from the others. But what happened in his life? A lady came, Olga, and she supported him very much. And then this beggar was chained, and he was a person. Here at last we are going to read that notary. Notary means a type of writer who is correcting whatever is written. It's a type of job. Okay, here we are going to read. Understood, everyone? Now, listen. The second is, here second is Sergei. We may say Sergei also. Okay. He is an advocate. Sergei is an advocate. And he meets Laksov and gives him work at his house. Who meets this man? Sergei meets to whom? Laksov, and he has given work. And he thought, he is thinking that I have changed this beggar. Okay, and now here I have written meaning of notary. Notary means a person authorized to perform certain legal formalities. It is a type of लाइट कट गया, लगता नेट नहीं चल. Okay, now listen everyone, and now here we are going to read about second character. You all have read about second character, Sergei. And third character, the very important character is Olga. She is a cook. Olga is a cook who works at Sergei's house, and she is working in Sergei's house. Where she is working? In Sergei's house. And now here it is given, she feels pity on the miserable condition of Luxov and does all his work. And now what happened here? Luxov, I have already told you that this is the beggar, and the whole story around this character. And who helped this character? This lady, Olga, the cook, helped him because he was in very pity condition, दयनीय स्थिति में था. ठीक है? Now does all his work, she cries of him and chops wood for him. It is due to her kindness that he changes. And this is the Olga, the lady who changed this personality, the beggar, into a notary person. ये ओल्गा ही थी जिसने बदल दिया एक भिखारी को एक वैल्यूबल पर्सन में, और जो कि जॉब करने लगा. इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क. If we wanted to change someone, then it's a very difficult task. If suppose our behavior is wrong, and if we want to change ourselves, then it is too difficult. Then how we can change others? And really this story is very interesting. Not only interesting, but this is very inspiring story. Now those who have taken out their books, raise their hand. जिन्होंने बुक निकाल लिया हाथ उठाइए. Okay, very good. Kus, start reading.
Kind sir, have pity, turn your attention to a poor, hungry man. For 3 days I have had nothing to eat. I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. I swear it before God. For 8 years I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigues. I feel a victim to calumny. It's a year now since I have had anything to do.
Okay.
The advocate,
Okay,
sir.
Kus, stop. Just wait. Okay, now listen. Here, the beggar. Beggar means you all know that who alms, who begs, जो मांगता है दूसरे से. Okay? Now, what induced the beggar? INDUCD, induced the beggar Luxov to change his ways. Let's read and find out. Jives, have you any question?
No.
Okay, down your hand. Everyone down your hand, then I will give one by one chance to read. Okay, now listen, here it is given induced. Induced means bring about or give rise to, प्रेरित करना. Okay, what induced the beggar Luxov to change his ways? How he changed his ways? He was a beggar. How he changed? Let's read and find out. We have to read this story and then we have to find out. हम लोग इसे पढ़ेंगे और जानेंगे कि भिखारी में कैसे बदलाव आया. Kind sir, have pity, turn your attention to a poor, hungry man. And now someone is asking. The story started with a dialogue, and the dialogue is, kind sir, have pity, turn your attention to a poor. It means a man who is saying that please pity on me, please give attention to me, because you all are looking at path near mandir, temple. There are so many beggars, and how they convince you that you have to give them money. Okay, बेगर्स मीन्स भिखारी। वो लोग कैसे आपको अपने बातों में फंसाएंगे कि किस तरह से हम लोग पैसा सामने वाले से ले लें। तो हियर सेम कंडीशन, हियर इट इज गिवन hungry man, and what he is saying that I am hungry. For 3 days I have had nothing to eat, and he is saying that I haven't eaten anything from the 3 days. I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. Here it is given that he is saying that I haven't 5 kopecks. Now question comes in your mind that what is kopecks? 100 kopecks equals to ruble, 1 ruble in Russia. Coin or a currency unit of a number. It's a coin or currency unit of a number. In countries of the Eastern Europe, closely associated with the economy of Russia. Okay, it means you all understand 100 kopecks equal to 1 ruble. You all know about this. If you have to go through, you all know about currency. You all have read in GK books, okay, that in which country what type of currency name is given. Now so here he is saying that I haven't 5 kopecks. सिंपल वर्ड में आप लोग समझ लीजिए कि जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं 1 रुपया 2 रुपया 4 रुपया सिक्का, तो यू हैव टू थिंक दैट ही इज सेइंग दैट आई हैवंट 5 kopecks फॉर अ लॉजिंग. लॉजिंग मीन्स रेंटेड हाउस. ही इज सेइंग मेरे पास इतने भी पैसे नहीं है कि मैं कहीं पे रह सकूं. I swear it before God, and he is saying that I am swearing. It means he is taking promise that it before God. For 8 years I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigues. Intrigues means connive, CONNIV. Connive means षड्यंत्र. And he is saying that I am taking oath, you know, for 8 years, before for 8 years I am, now he is saying that before this beggar condition I was a school teacher. I have worked 8 years as a school teacher, but I lost my place due to connive, due to deceiveness. He is saying that किसी ने मुझे धोखे के तहत, षड्यंत्र के तहत, मैं एक स्कूल टीचर था, मुझे हटा दिया गया. मैंने 8 वर्ष काम किया और षड्यंत्र के तहत मुझे हटा दिया गया. I feel a victim. Victim means a person who suffers. To calmly. Calmly means demented. Demented means निंदा करना. It is a year now since I have had anything to do, and he is saying that I haven't to do anything. So I am begging, please give attention to me. Please pay attention for me. He is saying. Is there any question? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई परेशानी है? In first para, you may ask question, raise your hand and then ask. And if you understood, then it's okay. I am counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no. Okay, Rahul, speak.
जी प्लीज एक बार कॉलमनी का वर्ड मीनिंग रिपीट कर दीजिएगा.
Okay. Now, here word is given that in this first stanza is given na CALUMNY. Okay, calumny means defamation. DEFAMATION. Defamation means निंदा करना. I will give you all word meaning, no problem. Word meaning भी लिखवा देंगे जैसे पिछले चैप्टर में लिखवाए थे, पेज वाइज. ओके, now we have to forward. अब आगे बढ़े. Next. Okay, who wanted to read? Raise your hand. जो पढ़ना चाहते हो हाथ उठाओ. Okay, Jeeves, Rahul, two boys, na? Okay, first I am giving Jeeves chance, after that Rahul. Okay, then Utkars. Okay, Jeeves, read.
The advocates looked at the wrapped fawn-colored overcoat of the suppliant and his dull, drunken eye at the red spot on either cheek, and it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga. The mendicant went on, but I haven't the money to get there. Help me kindly. I'm ashamed to ask, but I'm obliged to by circumstances.
Okay.
Sergei's eyes
Okay,
fell on the man's overshoes,
Jeeves,
one of
stop.
which was high
Jeeves,
and the other one.
just okay. Now listen. The advocate. Now the second character. In first passage, first character we have discussed. And now second passage we are going to come with Sergei, the advocate. And he was an advocate. Looked at the ragged, fawn colored overcoat of the suppliant and his dull, drunken eyes at the red spot on either cheek. And it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. Okay, now what is the meaning of ragged? Ragged. Ragged. Raise your hand who wanted to speak. Ragged. Do fast. I am counting very simple. Ragged. Okay, Rahul, speak.
Old, it is used for clothes, and this cloth is in old way.
Okay, very good. Old and torn type of dresses. Now, next is found. Fawn. Found. What is the meaning of found? Raise your hand, everyone. Fawn. Found means. Do fast. Utkars, speak.
Light brown in color.
Okay, very good. Now, next is suppliant. Suppliant. Raise your hand. No one? Okay. Rahul, speak.
A person who humbles to another.
Okay, very good. Now, listen. The advocate Sergei looked at the ragged, fawn-colored overcoat of the suppliant, at his dull, drunken eyes at the red spot on either cheek, and it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. And now here, when Sergei had seen this man, and when he has seen the whole body, his style of wearing dresses, then he thought that I have seen this man somewhere. सर्जई ने जब उस व्यक्ति को देखा, उसके पहनावे को देखा, तो उसे उसके गालों को देखा, तो उसे लगा कि मैंने इसे कहीं ना कहीं देखा है. He started to think about this. I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga. The mendicant went on, but I haven't the money to get there. Help me kindly. I am ashamed to ask, but I am obliged to by circumstances. Here, mendicant. Mendicant means friar. It is the synonym of beggar. ये beggar का क्या है? Synonym है. And now what he is saying that I have now had an offer. He is saying that I got an opportunity of a position in the province of Kaluga. And now I am going to Kaluga. This is a place where I am also getting a job. The mendicant went on. And so for this I am begging. I am not begging for my sake. I am not begging for to fulfill my hungers, to fulfill my desires, but he is saying that I am begging only because I have to go somewhere, I have to settle my life, so I am here. But I haven't the money to get there, and he is saying that how I have to go there. I haven't money. How is it possible to reach there? For reaching there, I also want money. Help me kindly. And he started to speak that please help me. I am ashamed to ask, but I am obliged by circumstances. And he is saying that I am ashamed. I also feel awkward, but I am very obliged. Why I am doing? Because this is all situation. Circumstances means due to situation. Sometimes our situation comes that kind, then we have to alms, we have to beg, we have to mendicant. He is saying. Here it means, here it is given that in first passage, first the beggar comes and beggar started to say that kindly help me. In second passage, Sarjai, the second character comes and he is remembering that I have seen this personality somewhere. And in third passage, it is given that he is saying the purpose why the beggar is begging, why the Laksab is saying to help others. What are the reason behind this? He is saying, and he is also saying that why he left the job and what type of job now once again he wanted. Now after that, Rahul, you have to read from here. Sergei's eyes fell on men's overshoes. And remember तक पढ़ना है आपको. Rahul.
Sergei's eyes fell on the man's overshoes, one of which was in Sadovia Street. He said, "But you told me then that you were a student who had been expelled and not a village school teacher. Do you remember?"
Okay. Sergei's eyes fell on the man's overshoes. And now what happened? Suddenly, he started to see men's overshoes, beggar shoes, one of which was high and the other low. And one is in high condition and other is in low way. And he suddenly remembered something, and Sergei suddenly remembered. What happens sometimes, we some people see some people and we forget, and when we started to see circumstances and suddenly, then what happened, we started to recall. And what happened, if we are not recalling, then what happened, we feel that we are going to puzzled, we are going to mad, and suddenly a circumstance, a situation comes, then we started to remember. क्या होता है, ऐसे भी आपके जीवन में भी होता होगा कि कभी मान लीजिए बचपन में किसी को देखे हैं या रास्ते में देखे हैं और अचानक आपसे मिल जाए, तो फिर आप अगर उसे याद नहीं कर पाए तो तब तक आपको चैन नहीं मिलेगा जब तक आप उसको याद नहीं कर लेंगे आखिर हम कहाँ पे इस व्यक्ति को देखे थे। और तब तक हमारा दिमाग क्या होता है, किसी काम में मन नहीं लगता है, हम उसी ओर दौड़ते हैं और सोचते रहते हैं। और अचानक क्या होता है कि कभी कभी हमें कोई ऐसा कंडीशन या ऐसा क्लू मिल जाता है जिससे वह व्यक्ति हमें याद आ जाता है, तब जाके हमारे दिमाग को शांति मिलती है। तो जस्ट लाइक कंडीशन, सेम कंडीशन इज सर्जरी. Sergei had seen this man, the beggar, this mendicant, and he started to think that yes, I have seen somewhere. But he recalling that where I have seen. But at last when he had seen the shoes, then he understood, he remembered that where he had seen. After that, here it is given that, look here, it seemed to me, I met you the day before yesterday in Sadovia Street, he said. And now what happened, the Sergei said that now I remember that I met you the day before yesterday. He is saying that and where he met in Sadovia Street. he is saying that I met you in Sadovia Street, and now he is also saying that he met the day before yesterday. Okay, the day passed, and now he is saying, he said, but you told me then that you were a student who had been expelled and not a village school teacher. Do you remember? And he is saying that at that time you have told me that you are a student, and today you are telling me that you are teacher. It's a miracle. Okay, अगर कोई कहे कि वो एक सप्ताह पहले बोलेंगे हम स्टूडेंट है, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, और फिर कहेंगे कि हम टीचर हैं, तो इट्स अ मिरेकल, ये तो आश्चर्य है. एंड ही इज सेइंग दैट यू आर टेलिंग लाई, and whatever I met you and you have said me that I am a student, and in this way you are taking all, and today you are telling that you are a teacher. Do you remember? And he is asking that do you remember, and what you have said that you had been expelled and not a village school teacher, and he is saying that at that time you have told me that you are a school, if you are a student not a school teacher, and you had been expelled from your school. वो उसे याद दिलाता है, तुम्हें याद आया सदोविया स्ट्रीट में तुम मुझे मिले थे और तुमने मुझे कहा था कि तुम्हें एज ए स्टूडेंट तुम थे, तुम्हें एक्सपेल्ड कर दिया गया है, तुम एक टीचर नहीं थे, ऐसा कहा. नाउ आफ्टर दैट फ्रॉम हियर उत्कर्ष नो से लेकर डिस्गस्ट तक पढ़िए. उत्कर्ष.
No, no, that can't be so, mumbled the baker, taken aback. I am a village school teacher, and if you like, I can show you my paper. Have done with lying. You called yourself a student and even told me what you had been expelled for. Don't you remember? Sergei flushed and turned from the ragged creature with an expression of disgust.
Okay, very good. Now after that listen. No, no, that can't be so, mumbled. Mumbled means to murmur, budbudana. The beggar, taken aback, I am a village school teacher, and if you like, I can show you my papers. And he is saying that no, no, he started to murmuring, and he is saying no, no, if you want to check my paper, I am a school teacher. Whatever I am telling, this all are truth. I am not telling lie. In a school, what happened in classroom? Some students are doing bad behavior, and when the teacher started to caught, they started to murmur, they started to cover whatever they have done mistakes. सब जगह होता है, स्कूल में, घर में, जब हम लोग गलती करते हैं तो अपनी गलती पे पर्दा, झूठ को छुपाने के लिए अपनी गलतियों पर क्या डालते हैं, पर्दा डालते हैं. ठीक है, हियर इट इज गिवन. नाउ तो ही इज सेइंग दैट नो, नो, I have a certificate, you can check my paper, I am a school teacher. वो बुदबुदाने लगता है, धीरे धीरे मरमरिंग मतलब धीरे धीरे बोलने लगता है कि नहीं नहीं, आप चाहे तो मेरा पेपर चेक कर लीजिए, मैं एक स्कूल टीचर हूँ, आपको भ्रम हुआ है. Have done with lying, you called yourself a student and even told me what you had been expelled for, don't you remember? And he said that, oh, you are saying whatever you are saying all are in lie way. Sergey is telling that you are not remembering. I want to recall you that you have said that you have been expelled from school, and what are the reason you have told me, can you say you, then you have to remember. वो बोलता है देखो तुम्हें मैं अभी बताता हूँ कि तुमने क्या कहा था, अभी तुम्हें बताऊंगा तब तुम्हें याद आएगा. Sergey flushed and turned from the ragged creature with an expression of disgust. Flushed means red with anger. Okay, Flushed. Flushed means red with anger. It means he was in anger. His whole face is in red colored change. And disgust means hate. And Sergey was full of this kind of hate. And his face was full of anger. Okay, now अब कितना टाइम हुआ देख, एक बार देख लेते हैं. जस्ट वेट द क्लास 1. अच्छा 11:50 हो गया है, तो आप लोग 10 मिनट अब आराम कर लीजिए नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए. and next day tomorrow we will read same lesson from 63 page number. Okay, thank you students for joining, and now I have to see all the students names, those who joined: Harsh, Mayank, Sujal, Anant, Aarti. Okay, okay.